Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. Sagicor Group Jamaica Limited President and CEO Chris Zaka on June 19th hailed the construction and official opening of the New Brunswick Village in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. And it is expected to usher in a renaissance in the development of Spanish Town. Located on approximately 12 acres of land with an investment from Sagicor Group Jamaica Limited of over 6 billion Jamaican dollars, the new mixed-use real estate development combines both commercial and residential spaces. New Brunswick Village comprises 89 residential modern housing solutions, 70 apartments ranging from studio to two-bedroom units, and 19 two-bedroom townhouses. On hand to share in the launch was Prime Minister Andrew Holness, flanked by Minister of Culture, Entertainment and Gender Affairs and Member of Parliament for St. Catherine Central, Olivia Babsey-Grange. And they hailed the proximity and connectivity and strategically positioned New Brunswick Village near the Angel's Leg of the North-South Highway, ensuring easy access to Kingston. JMMB Group made a profit of 17 billion Jamaican dollars for the financial year ending March 2024. In the same period last year, the company recorded a loss of 4.2 billion Jamaican dollars. JMMB says its revenue totaled 40.6 billion Jamaican dollars for the year ended March 2024. This compares to the 36 billion made in the corresponding period last year, as reported by RJR News. During trading for the period June 19, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial with 3,240,883 units amounted to 23.04% of the market volume in terms of sales. Omni Industries Limited with 1,977,774 units amounting to 14.06% of the market volume in terms of sales. JMMB Group Limited with 1,259,499 units amounted to 8.95% of the market volume in terms of sales. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago, Stock Exchange trading on June 19, 2024 registered a volume of 261,840 shares, crossing the floor of the exchange valued at $3,160,806 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 1 cent. JMMB Group Limited was the volume leader with 101,700 shares changing hands for a value of 122,991 Trinidad and Tobago dollars, followed by National Enterprises Limited with a volume of 30,027 shares being traded for 100,589 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 37 cents. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On June 19, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $35.9 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $45.8 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $156.51 and bought the US dollar for $154.52. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.99, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $1 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $114.99 and bought for $113.94. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $2.11, selling it for $199.84 and buying it for $197.73. For our credit report tip of the day, building a solid credit relationship with your banker is essential for business growth and stability. We have another strategy to establish and nurture this relationship. Engage a financial advisor or an accountant to help manage your business finances. Their expertise can ensure your financial records are in order, making it easier to build a positive credit relationship. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed. Stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.